Oh, there's no more. Okay, controllers, Axiogens. Okay, hits, bumps. Is there one more? Are you sure? But it's that bedroom. Okay, guys, if there's one more, kindly tell to Vincent what's that missing object, you see? What's the missing object, guys? Are you ready? Yes, I think we have a mission to search for that missing toy gun. Let's go. I think we're done, so maybe it's time to say goodbye to our special guest. Hey, say goodbye. Why no? Oh, you're smiling again. Okay, now you know. Before you know what? Before you know, Yen would love to say to you again, goodbye! Is that right? Okay, mga kids. Okay, and you know what? It should be on the list. Yeah, so that's what's remaining. Are you all good? Okay? Give me the name from our kids. All you have to do is put your hands back. Offer your lips together for about 3 seconds, okay? Yeah, 3 seconds. Okay, now order your lips. Are you ready? Okay. 3 seconds, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, and there's the see? And it's happy. Okay, it's time for you to turn your red. In your red? Don't like how it's like taking that one. Let's see. I'm gonna take it. Oh, let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it.
Slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for fakeness. If you wanna play toxic, you wanna hate this.
Let's go. I wake up with a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
We all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gon' do for it? How you gon' move for it? What you gon' be?
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Monica with your new friends and sound and slides. And we also hope that even after we leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that one video on that will be affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions can survive in traditional environments, so let's see from a quality screen. Always keep in mind where the sports are lions and us. Each one of us must do what we can to protect and serve all that that's our brother, including ourselves. So we have to visit and adventure bread and all of us here at the Monica and Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope